Hi guys, today we're going to talk about using arrays with multiplication. Sometimes we're in a situation where we have two numbers to multiply and we really don't know what the answer is. So one of the tools that we have learned about using is an array in order to get that answer. So if we have the multiplication problem of 3 times 9 and we're not sure what that answer is, what I can do is I can take 3 groups and each one of those groups has 9 things inside of them. So I'm going to use x's to build an array to show my 3 groups. I'm going to start off by saying, okay, there's 1 for this group. And I'm going to start a new group down here and I'm going to give that 1. And here's the third group and that has 1. Then I'm going to go back up to the top and I'm going to say, okay, each one of those groups has to have 9. So I have 1 in the first group and I'm going to now go and put 9 into the first group. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I kind of have a framework or a skeleton of what the rest of my array is going to look like. And all I have to do is go in and make sure that I match up the x's, and I'm going to try to keep them as perfectly in line with each other as they can to make sure that I'm not accidentally skipping an x that I should be putting there, and things are nice and neat and orderly. I don't want to put extras in either. So now I have 9 in my next row, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I have a very neatly organized system of groups, and I can look at it as that I have 3 groups of 9, or I can look at it from the other direction and I can say, okay, I have 9 groups of 3. So if I go this direction, you can see there's 3 in each group. And how many of these up and down groups do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In order to solve the problem now, I can count by 3s or I can count by 9s. So I have 9, 18, 27. So the answer is 27. The other thing that I can do if I am having trouble counting by 3s or counting by 9s is I could actually go and count each individual x. If I counted up every single one of these x's, I would count that there are 27. So there are a couple of different ways to look at this and count this in order to get the answer.